Hey guys, what's our Nova Scotia adventure here? It's going to do a little update. So, hand still fractured, can't really do much of anything. So I know it's been a while since I put a video out, that's why I'm doing this one. So, and pretty much the only thing that I've really done now, especially with the coronavirus thing, is me and Logan set up an aquarium in his room because he wanted fish for his birthday. So we got him some fish. So I'm just going to do a little aquarium update and what I did for lighting. So for the light, I took this one because they were on sale at Canadian Tire for I think $13. It's only got 4,000 Kelvin for the spectrum of light. And the other two bulbs I have in there I think are 5,500 Kelvin. So those would be good for like a Java fir, Java moss, and I think it's Anubis plant. I'm not sure if I pronounced that one right. So for the light, I'm running these two LED bulbs. And this is the LED plate that comes inside this light box. It's just 3 screws that hold this on. And back there's a metal plate. I'm going to seal that up with hot glue. Same with this. Those are 2 bottle caps. Just so there's a bit of airflow underneath. And I'll put this up and show you what the aquarium looks like with the big lid on. That's just a little LED light bar in there. That's their night light. Let's put all the lights on. Right now we only got 4 goldfish in here. Here's one here. I think they're all fancy tail except for the one the daughter picked out. Right there, it's a little comet, so feeder goldfish. And for filter, we're running I think it's a Fluval 405. It's a 41 gallon tank, so that gives me, it's like 9.7 cycles through the tank per hour, which should be able to keep up with the amount of waste that the fish produce, especially once I get some plants in there. Just like to say thanks for watching, and hello and welcome to all the new subscribers. I think my doctor said my hand should be good to go by August, so so 5 months from now I should be able to use my hand again. And then I'll get back to the log cabin. I took a walk out there the other day to check on it. All the logs are still really good. All the logs I had previously cut down, they're still nice and solid because I have them up off the ground. And any other little projects I do, I'll try to make a video. Sometimes they usually take a lot longer now because I'm doing everything with my wrong hand. And if you guys want, I'll post some updates of the aquarium. Maybe when we get some plants, we'll do a video of that, me and Logan. And till then, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Enjoy. Bye.